In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a downloadable file on Wix. Now, the first thing you'd want to do is to pull up your Wix website editor. In this blank section, we're just going to try to create a downloadable file through a button. So to do that, we're just going to go ahead and click on Add Elements, and then look for Button, and then select the button that you wish to use. So for example, maybe I'll try this one right here. And then we're just going to reposition this and resize it as well so that the button will be bigger. And of course, we're going to change the text into something like download blog booklet. Now, the important part is to change where it links to. So once we click that, we're going to have to select document over here and then click on choose file. Now you can upload your own file. It can be anything that you wish the user to be able to download. For this example, I'm going to go with this right here. It's just a random notepad that I saved. Once that's done, just click on this and then close that. Now we're just going to check how this looks like on our website. So go ahead and click on preview. And once the site loads up, it should show an interactable button right here. As you can see, when you hover on it, it shows an underline. So when we click on it, it downloads the booklet for us. And that's about it. That's how you add a downloadable file on Wix. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments below, and I'll do my best to help you out.